The tariff war between the United States and China appears to be escalating daily, with China tonight announcing new countermeasures in what's become a tariff tit-for-tat with American President Donald Trump. The announcement was made on Chinese state-owned TV, with Beijing saying it's raising its tariffs on US goods from 84% to 125% starting this weekend. Given the size of the two economies, some experts fear the escalating tariff tussle may lead to global economic turmoil. The latest tariff move comes as Chinese President Xi Jinping met with Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez, where the Chinese ruler said the EU must oppose tariff bullying. And meanwhile, Asian stock markets have slumped after the US clarified plans to charge a 145% tariff on Chinese goods. Beijing says if the US wants a trade war, China will fight to the end. Our Asia correspondent Stash Butler filed this report from Taipei.
Investors in China and its neighbours have sold shares in Asian companies hours after the White House doubled down on high tariffs for Chinese goods. Shanghai's main stock index stayed steady with a drop of 0.1% at open, but the Hang Seng in Hong Kong fell 0.6% after a week in which it's dropped nearly 10%. Analysts say it's on track for the worst week in 7 years. China's neighbours too have suffered. Markets fell at opening in Taiwan, South Korea and Japan. All of them count China as their biggest trading partner. Beijing says it will stand up for Chinese interests and has accused the US of bullying behaviour. China says it's open to reaching a negotiated solution.
China's position is clear and consistent. The door to talks is open, but dialogue must be conducted on an equal basis with mutual respect.
President Donald Trump is also willing to make a deal.
What happens with China? We would love to be able to work a deal. They've really taken advantage of our country for a long period of time. They've ripped us off beyond anybody, nobody. How people stood for it, sitting in my position, is not even believable.
But Asian economies may have to wait. US officials have said they'll prioritise countries other than China for trade deal talks.